What are the wider reverberations from the project? What lasting influence would you hope to achieve?
In terms of wider outcomes and reverberations, this pilot, which will then go into the pilot training, we're hoping that it will have a lasting influence on the built environment sector, because if we can get the various types of groups of volunteers that we've identified trained in the way that is good for them and good for the sector, we have a robust and long-lasting workforce, I suppose, if you like, that have an invested interest in their historic environment, who are working in it and helping fill the skills gap because it has value to them. It's not just a council coming in or a professional body coming in and saying the historic environment has value. It's people who live in that environment taking ownership of it and saying, I have been trained in these skills because I value where I live, because I want to make a place that's livable, because I value the heritage of my locale. And that is a legacy of skills that will, I hope, be passed on, because if you can get your local community involved in that, that's something that they are going to pass on, because they're going to have a pride of place. So it's not just professionals parachuting in. So although the skills gap is actually a massive problem for the heritage sector, finding the solution through lay people is actually a very, very positive thing. And I think one of the lasting legacies of that is viewing the skills gap as not a problem, but as an opportunity to engage the local community in something that they're all very interested in, but perhaps have been excluded from because they didn't know those skills were available to them. And I'm hoping that will be one of the biggest legacies.
Fantastic, thank you very much.